Warning. The thoughts, views, and opinions expressed by me on the channel are for entertainment purposes only. I repeat, it's not serious, it is not real, none of it. No one is exposing, revealing, indicting, or telling you anything about themselves or anybody else. Also, I do not encourage you to try this at home. I'm a trained professional who doesn't have your best interest at heart, or my own. Enjoy the video.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Haikata. Today we got a brand new dash cam video. This one is titled "Man Gets What He Deserves for Driving Like an Idiot." It's been a while. We've been doing a lot of To Catch a Predator reactions. So let's bring it back a little bit. So runs through stop sign, alright. He already beat a demon, so it's whatever. Okay, goes up here to the left, to the right. Okay, he's going over here. He's slowing down. Red light. Yep. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? My boy. Okay, so we got a green left arrow. That red is probably most likely right there as it has the yield. My boy right here was not paying attention. I think he made contact. I don't get how that's possible, bro. This is why it's really important to like really focus on what the fuck you're doing while driving. And that shit's crazy. El driver, alright. Let's see what he's doing. Whoa, homie in the pickup truck, you got balls of steel, my boy. Balls of fucking steel. You're not gonna secure your load in driver. You're looking for a fucking payday in this one, bro. I don't blame you. I'd probably do the same thing too. I'm not gonna hold you. But bro, if you would have just braked and not went, you see them shits rolling backwards. You would have broke right there. You would have been fine. They would have dropped down to the side. Doing that, bro, you wanted a payday, bro. Tie down your crap, but also if you see that shit rolling, bro, just give it a split second, bro. And you shit with them got hit. You know what I mean? W tire, bro. That shit balance. That shit was going. Alright. Homie's going. He's braking. Oh, somebody out. Yeah.
Nice signal there, Chowderheads.
Bro, it's really not that. I don't know if I'm just like different. If I see niggas stopped right here, bro, door open here, bro.
Nice signal there.
You know what I mean? That door opens, bro. Just go around. You just sitting there being upset, bro. You doing this shit to yourself, bro. Clearly something's going on, bro. Just go around, bro. Would a signal would have been nice? Yeah. You ain't get it, bro. It's not the end of the world. It ain't like you was traveling, you know what I mean? Like 20 miles, 35 miles, bro. You just chilling, bro. Y'all niggas cruising on the residential, bro. That ain't that deep.
Yeah.
Okay, so I already know this is about to go. Homie's claiming the intersection. I don't blame him. It's a dickhead move, but he's claiming it.
Screwing everyone.
I think it's a girl.
Oh my god.
I could be upset, bro, but I can't be at the same time. Like, I would never do this a day in my life, but oh god. Oh god. You're about to get hit. You're gonna get hit. You're gonna get hit. You're gonna get hit.
That's why she's trying to look as far as she can.
Mm-hmm. Niggas blinking over. Doesn't give them the right of way. Everybody knows if you're in the right hand of a fucking semi, bro, you're in the death zone, bro. Death zone. Get the fuck over, bro. Get the fuck over. Get over, bro. Get over. You see him. Get over. Oh my god, bro. Brake hard. Brake hard. Brake hard. Brake hard. Brake hard. Brake hard. Alright, bro. I mean, I can't blame the camera for this one. This is all on this guy right here, but I'll give you a W for literally using your actual full brain. Okay, somebody might get rear-ended. Oh! God damn! Bro, this shit turned into a goddamn Battlefield map, bro.
Basically out of it.
Destructive environment to the highest. That transformer. I ain't gonna lie. If you're in front of that car, bro. If you're in front of this fucking giant ass, what do you call it? What is this? Hardscaping and pools. If you're in front of this truck, bro, you're looking like that Willem Dafoe meme. Just you're cooked. Oh my lord. Oh my fucking lord.
Damn.
Now the lights are out.
Yogi.
Ain't they, bro?
I was right next to that shit.
Holy shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of been like liking some of these recently, bro. Only because this shit's been going crazy. My brother in Christ, you do not see that giant fire truck, bro. Right there, bro, you should see in it, bro, and brake hard, bro. Braking hard. Swerving a little bit to slow down, bro. Anything, bro. Shit, bro. You're a fucking doofus. Fire truck did all he could, just inch it forward. And, you're a fucking idiot, bro. I would get mad at the fire truck, bro, but in that serious situation, bro, you gotta look, bro. Camera, I like that, bro. Stay on your shit, bro. Now, the only downside would be if that GMC misunderstood why you're honking and think you're honking at him. Boston, that shit happens more often than not, bro. Niggas over here just think everybody got main character syndrome, bro. You honk at somebody who ain't even in front of you, bro. The nigga in front of you, bro, they gonna get tight, bro. Like, why you honking? Nigga, somebody try to merge from the right lane into our lane. Almost killed both of us, bro. I'm doing both of us the fucking a due diligence, nigga. You almost got pitted. In your mad, bro? Okay, bro. Next time I'll let you get pitted, bro. You learn your lesson, nigga. Yo, that fucking Buick. What is this? A Buick Encore or is this a Escalade? Not an Escalade. A Cadillac, rather. Oh, yeah, nah, bro. It's a Cadillac. Oh, my lord. Bro, I hope that's... Bro, your fucking car is literally burning oil. Like, burning oil. Get your shit changed, bro. Yeah, bro. Switch over to this left lane, bro. Camera. It's illegal. Use that lane to get around this nigga, bro. This nigga's left lane camping, bro, and now he on his period. Yeah. Should've just did that from the get-go, nigga. Now he's gonna high beam you? Nah. Like, bro, like, situations like that, alleviate your stress, bro, trying to high beam. Niggas gonna get butt hurt up. I'm already going 20 over the speed limit, bitch. It doesn't matter that you're going 20 over the speed limit, nigga. You're impeding everybody else. If you're still going 20 over and niggas is on your ass, fair to say, bro, get the fuck out of the way. I'm not gonna lie, just get the fuck out of the way, bro. I'm driving, bro. I'm in the left lane, bro. I can be cruising. I can be going fast, bro. I'll be going, like, in GTA, bro, 110. In a 65 highway, bro. Bro. And if somebody's still behind me, bro, and you on my ass going 110 in GTA, bro, I got it, bro. Let me get over to the lane when it's good, bro, and I'll get right back in right behind you, bro. It's simple, bro. Just let it work like that. Niggas who do that, bro, they create traffic, and this is the frame of doom. Nigga, you're cooked. Why are you braking? Gas. Why did you do that, bro? You braked, bro. Could have just... If you would have gassed it through, you maybe could have dodged it, bro. Maybe could have, bro. Indecisiveness. L driver right there, bro. L driver. But back to what I was saying, bro. Situations like in the previous clip before this one, bro. Stop camping in the left lane, bro. Somebody's behind you, bro. Get to the clearest lane to your right, bro, so niggas can go. And you're rear-ended. Bro. Not gonna lie, if you knew that y'all brake that hard, bro, swing in behind him, bro. I always do that, bro. If niggas braking way hard, like way too hard, bro, in like what seems to be good conditions, bro, I'm getting right here if available, bro. or I'm pulling up into the opposite lane of traffic, bro, because of that situation right there, bro. I'm not gonna get rear-ended, bro, because of the incompetence of whoever's behind me and not paying attention to the road. See, instead of braking, could have zooped around to the right. Because during all that time of that accident happened, bro, we have not seen somebody, bro. He could have swerved around. See? Right here, could have swerved. That car had enough room, bro. This nigga did not give a single fuck, bro. Y'all gotta think, bro. Camera, you have to think. That car just turned. This is a green. It looks like homie could just shoot across, right? Why isn't he shooting across? This car right here, right? Somebody definitely has to be in here who's variable. Slow it the fuck down. Slow it the fuck down a little bit, bro. You know what I mean? Could have ended worse, bro. Like, I ain't telling you to come down to a good stop, but like, if it's a 25 or a 35, bro, just do about like 5 to 7 underneath, bro. In a situation like that. And then if it's clear, bro, just floor it. You know what I mean? Pick up the speed. But it's better for you to be a little bit more cautious, bro, than for you to be sorry at the end of the day. I don't blame homie in the who did that middle lane right hand turn. I don't blame him. But that's why you got to be careful. Be careful. Life come at you fast, my boy. See, oh my goodness gracious. Everybody, wait, am I misinterpreting this line on the road? Hold on, bro. Let me lock in real quick. So everybody's turning, bro. Why the fuck are you going straight, you boneheaded fuck? I don't mean this car is good for the most part. This nigga had no intention of turning left. This nigga had no intentions, bro. Fucking bonehead. Okay, Tesla. All that space right there, right? There's no traffic. Get the fuck over, bro. Why are you braking? Why are you braking? There's no one ahead of you, bro. Holy fuck. That nigga was flying. Bro, keep flying, bro. Keep flying. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't condone it, bro. If you gonna fly past a cop, bro, go to opposite directions, bro. Pick up that speed and keep it going. Keep it going, bro. First turn off of the road, bro. Turn off that road ASAP. Nigga, you better not have fucking pulled over. Yo, you're a fucking bonehead, bro. You're already flying. You're already flying, bro. Keep going. The chance of that nigga actually catching you, bro, if you would have kept going that same pace you were going before, damn near 0 to none, bro. 20, why are you flashing the fuck out of your high beams like that, bro? Oh, never mind. Ah, motherfucker got cold rolled. That is crazy. Idiot and the cop in the rear view, okay? What do you do? What was the issue? Only thing I would get him for is like passing the line right there. Passing the stop line and the slow creep, yeah. Maybe that's it, bro. But the honking, if that's why you're getting pulled over, bro, Canada, you're fucking soft. You're fucking soft, Canada. Like, bro, what? Hey, yo, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet. Oh, my God. That nigga was on his phone. He was on his phone, bro. There's no way.
Oh my.
And you get the fuck off the road, bro. Stop sitting there having a midlife crisis, bro. Just drive forward, bro. You shocked. Okay, bro. So you didn't die, but I think this biker might have died. Holy fuck, bro. You got hit from behind, bro. Pause. Damn, nigga, you getting dragged? Holy shit. Holy fuck. What are you doing? This is a Honda fucking Fit 2? I can't tell if that's a Fit or like the CRV, HV families, bro. Or is that an Odyssey? Is that the new gen Odysseys, bro? Kind of, bro, you getting creamed by a... Huh? Rear-ended on my motorcycle. Phoenix PD were not interested in citing the other driver. Nigga almost committed vehicular manslaughter. Yo, Phoenix, bro, get y'all shit together, bro. That shit's fucking embarrassing. You can't tell me you don't see this shit and be like, oh yeah, bro, that driver of that other vehicle almost killed this motorcycle, nigga. Yeah, bro, let's hold this nigga accountable. No sighting, no, bro, that is insane, bro. Improper lanes change, failure to signal yield, bro. Throw the whole fucking book at this nigga, bro, because that is insane. Thank God homie's alive, bro, but shit. Phoenix PD is a fucking, like, they're all boneheads. Yeah, nah, 422 was still crazy, bro, because what the fuck do you mean, bro? You don't see a big yellow-ass Twinkie, bro. I bet you what they were doing, right? They seen the first car went. They go, they look to the left, and then they're looking to the right, inching out. It freezes up. Look to the left, and the last second, bro, freezes up, and that's how that happens, bro. That's literally how that happens. I've seen that happen more times than not. Yeah, nah. 23 is fucking insane. That is fucking insane, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Nearly dying and P telling you tough love, bro, is crazy. It's been your boy Haikata. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. This shit's insane.